Remember when the CEO of Insta360 briefly showed that mysterious camera during the company's annual meeting? At the time, the moment passed quickly, but it sparked huge curiosity in the tech community. Shortly after that, well-known drone insider Igor Bogdanov shared additional details on X, giving us our first clearer look at what the company might be working on. Initially, many people, including us, believed those images and features were connected to the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. But it turns out that assumption was wrong. So in this video, we're clearing up the confusion and taking a closer look at what appears to be a completely different project, the rumored Insta360 LUNA. After the early leaks surfaced, another video appeared online from X Drone Studio. The footage looked legitimate and showed a person actively using the camera. However, there was one unusual detail. The camera itself was intentionally blurred while being held. You can clearly see the motion and operation, but the actual body design is carefully hidden. This seems like a very deliberate choice, almost like the company wants to prove the camera works without fully revealing the hardware yet. Despite the blur, the footage still gives away some interesting clues. One of the most noticeable details is the impressive depth in portrait-style shots. The background separation looks far more dramatic than what we usually see from small action camera sensors. In fact, it almost mimics the kind of depth you'd expect from a much larger professional camera. That suggests the device could be using a more advanced sensor combined with powerful image processing. Speaking of specs, the rumored details are quite interesting. The camera is expected to support 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, along with 10-bit color, which would provide smoother slow motion and improved dynamic range. Stabilization will likely be handled by a 3-axis AI-powered gimbal, supported by smart tracking and built-in AI editing tools. Battery life is rumored to reach around 180 minutes, powered by a 1500 mAh battery with USB-C charging. It may also include a rotating touchscreen and support for optional ND filters. Another major highlight could be the camera's dual lens system. According to earlier information, the device may feature a wide-angle primary camera alongside a telephoto module offering up to 3 times true optical zoom. Even more interesting is the rumored dual-processor architecture. A secondary chip reportedly pre-processes sensor data before it reaches the main processor, handling tasks like noise reduction, brightness balancing, and shadow recovery. The result should be cleaner footage, especially in difficult lighting conditions. For now, though, we still haven't seen the camera fully revealed in real-world use. Which means this feels less like a full announcement and more like a carefully controlled preview. But if these leaks turn out to be accurate, Insta360 LUNA could become one of the most advanced compact cameras we've seen in a long time. And the real reveal might not be too far away.